Good afternoon, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2011 Ford F350 King Ranch. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just getting outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. I'm getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. But as you can see, it has the tow mirrors, the two-tone paint, the running boards, the rear tinted windows, tonneau cover there. This angle in here for you. Backup sensors, backup camera, tow pack. Again, the tonneau cover there. Spray and bed liner. Spray and bed liner. Sorry guys, I'm using the backup camera here. My first one died on me in the middle of this walk around, so I'm redoing it here. Let's get down here on tire size. Hopefully that helps you. This is a beautiful truck though. Holy smokes. All right, let's get to the inside condition and features. This does have the remote start as well. Why don't we do that? It does have the remote start if it'll focus for me there. Let's double lock this guy. There it goes there. All right, let's get some inside condition and features. You got the power windows, power locks, power fold-in mirrors, memory seats. There is a little bit of wear here on the driver's seat, but I am sure they're getting that repaired, just waiting for the vendor to come in to repair it. But other than that, no rips, tears, stains. Sunroof up there. Let's get the back before we get the features up front. Excuse me. Does have the rear slider there, rear air, rear power. It does have the WeatherTech type floor mats all the way through. The carpet, no stains, nothing like that. It's just literally a really clean truck. We got the pedal adjusters there, if it'll focus for me. There we go. We got the steering wheel controls there. Media center, navigation, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio for 3 months. Has the heated and cooled seats. The factory tow assist. Let's get this over here for you. We got that up there, if it'll focus. There it goes. All right, let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. Or I should say, let's take a look at it. It might just die on me with yep, died on me. Once you pop the hood on the auto start, automatically dies. But anyways, we'll turn it over here in just a second again. I do say this in my videos all the time, guys. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like getting this stuff in here for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you have an idea of what you're looking for. Now, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so keep that in mind. You know, and I encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. And that's huge for us. Well, it's huge for me. I like being able to shake my customer's hand at Safeway when I see them. But as you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Fairly low miles for a diesel, baby miles really. Stereo there. Let's get the backup camera going. Backup camera up there. The sensor's going off like crazy. Let's get to the map. There's a navigation there. AC seats. Whew, feels good. All right. Here, I'll turn on some lights even. Go back to the engine here. Humming along beautifully. Well, hopefully this helped answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. See you next time.